Oh, there. Here, swallow it.
Here. So we are in Northern California. My sister lives on this lake. Her house overlooks this Lake Shastina. Mount Shasta is right there. You can't see it from where I'm sitting. But we've got some kids in a little outboard boat over there. We've got people kayaking over there, just kind of hanging out and chilling. And then tomorrow we're probably going to go do some exploring. That's why we don't have a lot of video content today, because literally it's the super chillest day of the whole vacation so far. So it's been really awesome. Just sitting by the lake, drinking cocktails and hanging out. Kids jumping in the water. The boat launch and the dock is right here. And then of course there's a little island right over there. And you might be able to just barely make out the little outboard coming back full of children who have been doing some exploring. So apparently they have not explored that island yet, so it's going to be fun to find out from them what they found. So that's what we're doing today. It's pretty super fun. Just chill.
Nope.
What sort of adventures are over there?
We found a lot of rocks, and we found a bunch of bees.
A deer that had just given birth to this little slimy thing.
Wait, what?
There's a deer.
And it's sitting under this tree with this little slimy fawn. It's all like, looks like she just gave birth. But it's all like wet and all slimy.
What a fawn looks like.
Was it walking around yet?
No, it was like the size of a Chihuahua, just like sitting there.
The size of a baby Chihuahua.
Like we got really close to it and it didn't move.
It probably couldn't. Just given birth.
Well, that's cool. Did the little island live up to your expectations?
It was really rocky, not very grassy.
Yeah.
Do you think it's campable in the future though?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Probably.
There's a giant beehive out there somewhere. There are bees everywhere.
Oh.
But why?
Just stand there with that. I'm gonna go sit here and have a drink.
Just put it over the ledge to protect it.
I think it's too big.
No, it isn't.
I love how I'm like with the swimmer.
Here, give it to me.
Yeah, you guys, this thing is bleeding water. It is not.
I don't think you're touching it. If as soon as you don't touch it, it's not working.
There.
All right.
Beautiful.
Oh wait, look at that. A hole in here.
Where's the hole?
Look there.
Okay, I got this. Oh, it's very relaxing.